Hey guys, today Google's long-awaited messaging Allo app is finally available to download in Google Play Store, but for very limited amount of accounts only. For example, for me, it's not yet available. If we go to Google Play Store and type Allo and search, we will see that it's only available to be registered and not to download. Basically, what it will do is it will inform you as soon as it's publicly available in Google Play Store. But there is another way to that. The APK is available in APK Mirror. I will post this link in the description down below. From where, if you open the website, you scroll down, you will have the download button. Basically, you just download it and install the APK as normal. So right off the bat, as soon as you install the application, it is going to ask you to input your phone number in order to tie in the app with it. It will also ask you to type in your Google account, but this is solely in order for you to be able to use the Google Assistant, which I will tell you a little bit later how it works. Otherwise, you don't need to sign in with your Google account if you don't care about the Google Assistant, basically. You'll still be able to use the app with only just by registering with your phone number. Basically, it a lot resembles WhatsApp in its way of working. So it works with the phone number only. And if you try to install this app on a tablet or some device which doesn't have a number, it won't work. So I will assume that it won't be available also for desktops, which is quite unfortunate. So the app is quite straightforward. There are not too many settings to tinker with at this point, but it looks quite clean. So if we go to the site menu, we will see the phone number the phone number, your name, the profile. You can change some information, block contacts, settings. If you go to settings, again, quite limited amount of settings. Message sound, notification, vibrate, always download media, your phone number, the Google account that you can also register with, and you can unregister, of course, your phone number and the Google account as well. So we go out of settings, you will right away see the Google Assistant. So again, if you are not being registered with Gmail, you won't see this Google Assistant here. And what it does here, if we go inside, you will see there is this conversation, which basically this is how it would look like if you are actually talking to an actual person in this app, like this. But an assistant is basically like the Google now, which we used to give voice commands or ask questions. This is basically the same thing, but by typing. So if I'm asking what's the weather, right? I'm sending it to the Google Assistant. It takes its time and shows up the weather for the location that I am. What about the weekend? What about tomorrow? It gives off some related questions that I can right away press without even typing. Let's say what's going to be the weather in weekend. There you go. And several other stuff. Or for example, I am bored. There you go. Let's see what is going to respond. Okay, how about puzzle? We can say no thanks. It will come up with something else. So fun. Yeah, it shows you a funny video, which you can play right away without even giving out from the app. It's quite neat, I should say. So you can either watch or skip. It's pretty nice. You can request one more, random fun, interesting facts, so on and so forth. Basically, this is you can request information, you can ask any questions related to anything, basically as if you were to Google something, but quite more efficient. Okay, just like this, to start a conversation, first you need to add some people. So if you press here, you will see start group chat, start incognito chat. In incognito chat, it is not going to save any kind of information. Any message any attachments you send in this mode with your friend will be deleted as soon as you go out of the incognito chat. Here you can invite any of your friends. Basically, it will send an SMS message containing the link to download the Allo app. At this point, I'm repeating, it's not available in Google Play Store for everybody. But again, you can download it from the link below in the description as I mentioned previously. So you can just invite a friend. So once your friend downloads the app, his name will be available here and you'll be able to chat with him, just like I was showing you on the Google Assistant. So there is some neat tricks. You can add picture, location, and so on and so forth. Pretty standard for every messaging, I suppose. Emojis, voice message. There is one nifty feature. Look what you can do. For example, you write hey. So if you press and hold on the send button, you can actually increase the size of this hey or completely decrease it. Depends. So you can you can increase it maximum and let it go, and it will send it actually that big like that. So it's quite nice. Basically, you can type the text, press and hold, increase the size, decrease the size, let it go, and it will send exactly the size you want it there. Okay, this is probably the most interesting feature here, which I haven't seen in any other messenger up until this point. Everything else is quite regular, all your emojis and stuff. This is it for now. If you have any questions, how to download, how to install, how to use the app, please write them down below. I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, if it helped you somehow, please leave a like. I'll be glad. Thank you. Have a nice evening.